Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello guys, good morning everyone. We are from Group 4 who would like to presentations about marketing management. And this is our team. We have Sito Resmi, Vincentia Devista, Wahyu Pujakesuma. And this is for Identity Article Journal. And for name, we have Saman Al-Musalam. And for the major, for the article and institutions, and this is for identity of journal. We have year in 2020 and page we have this. Guys, for this journal, and we have purpose. And the purpose of this paper is investigates the effect of the tourist emotional responses toward a particular destinations on tourist stratifications and destinations loyalty. Perceives equality as the moderator variable. Okay, next. And for this, maybe for Mimi, can you explanations about this review?
Review. People-place relationship. Emotion and place are fundamentally intertwined. Place can be characterized as a space that combines people emotional resonance with their natural environments, individual and collective activities and emotional meanings in a spatial setting. Currently, places have atmospheres and drive complex and oftentimes solid emotion in people, positive or negative. However, emotions are by their very nature ambiguous. And this ambiguous increase in tourism destinations might be linked with tourists in a direct and variety of ways. Therefore, a destination can form a personality that tourists use as a means of self-expressions. And as the tourist destinations offer experimental attributes attuned to the tourist personality, the possibility of creating an emotional response for the tourist increase. If there is a relationship between people and places, then there is also an impact from that relationship. The impact is the emergence of emotions from people. The impact of tourist emotions is there is a positive relationship between emotion of joy and tourist satisfaction. There is a positive relationship between emotion of positive surprise and tourist satisfaction. And 3, there is a negative relationship between emotions of anger and tourist satisfaction. In addition, tourist emotions also have a relationship with destination loyalty. Several psychologists suggest that emotion can elicit many responses between individuals. Meanwhile, loyalty can be considered as a behavior or non-behavioral response. By this point and based on the sort of emotion deriving, they may be followed by loyalty response. Positive emotions create a variety of results such as revisiting intention to recommend and sharing experience through social media. In a different light, negative emotions also might create different types of responses such as switching intentions to another route, complaining behavior, and negative mood. These positive or negative emotional outcomes related to assessing person experience predominantly result in comment that come to the person's mind when he or she recalls the situation or object. This kind of comment that is appeared by various several memories can be considered as a fundamental stimulus for activities. The current study associates activities to tourist loyalty toward the destination by virtue of positive and negative emotion.
Research methodology, quantitative data collection method. 1. Data collection and sample. Data was collected by distributing the questionnaire to tourists in 4 cities in Switzerland. Previous destinations in Switzerland were chosen for many reasons. First, this destination cover major aspects of basic tourism product in Switzerland, such as beautiful landscape, mountain and lakes, heritage sites, museum, and special sport activities, such as hiking. Second, these cities are considered the first target places by tourism when they decided to visit Switzerland. Third, the cities were chosen to ensure coverage of several tourist nationalities, which will allow us to avoid bias in responses. Since some nationalities prefer particular cities more than others, study questionnaires were distributed personally by the author, and a total of 400 questionnaires were distributed. Among completed survey forms, excluding those with omissions or with randomly repeated answers, 346 copies valid to analysis were obtained. Tourists from 43 nationalities participated in this study. To measure The questionnaire used in our current study consists of 5 sections. 1. Tourist emotion, positive and negative. 2. Perceived quality. 3. Tourist satisfaction. 4. Destination loyalty. 5. Demographic question. As shown in appendix, tourists are required to mark their agreement level of each item of section 1 on the 5-point Likert scale from not at all, 5.1 to extremely much, 5.5. In section 2 until 4, we change the Likert scale 5-point coding to become strongly disagree 5.1 to strongly agree 5.5.
Okay, guys, for result and conclusions. We found that the tourist certifications play a mediation role in the associations between tourist emotion and destination loyalty. This mediating effect was a full mediations on positive emotion case, while in the between negative emotions, tourist certification destination's loyalty it was partially mediated. These results allow us to proclaim when tourists receive joyful and surprised emotions during their journey. There will be a feeling, a deep sense of certifications and delight being an outcome of their time and effort expended in planning their trip and choosing these destinations. It provided this blend of positive emotions. On the other side, the research illustrates the negative direct effect or negative emotions on a tourist certifications. And these finding contradictions some of the findings of tourism researchers that there could be a few positive implications of negative emotions that had nevertheless numerous tourism study attend to the currently study results. A logical explanation of these negative relationships is when tourists face on or more kind or negative emotions during the journey, and contrary to their previous expectations that might create in them depressions and disappointments, which lead finally to feel resentments and dissatisfactions toward a particular destinations. Next. Okay. Finally, I think so for our presentations, and thank you so much for your attentions and see you.